with WTI. This is my 30-ounce YETI mug, and I want to talk about whether YETI is worth the hype. I use it for hot liquids and I use it for cold liquids. I made a coffee yesterday morning at 11:30. 5 hours later at 4:30 in the afternoon, my coffee was still piping hot. When I have cold drinks in here, it is impressive how long and how well it keeps it cold.
So I put a bunch of ice in this mug this morning with water. There's still a little bit of ice after 6 hours, and I have been in 30-degree heat with a humidity of 40 degrees Celsius. And this thing has kept my water cold all day long.
Is the lid leak proof? Now, initially, I find a little bit of water does leak out, as you can see, but then it just kind of stops. So I don't know about you, but I'm not in the habit of carrying my coffee mug upside down. So I'm pretty happy with how leak proof this actually is. So is the YETI worth the hype? Well, if it's keeping my liquids cold for more than 6 hours in extreme summer humidity and keeping it piping hot for more than 5 hours, then it's definitely worth it for me. And that's my point of view.